Hello and welcome to another update video about DOT. So DOT is moving into resistance, basically reacted now to the support region. This is now of course an opportunity because DOT could start the third wave from here. I mean, the support area was communicated, the price did hold support. 385 is sort of the key level where probabilities would shift towards more bearish count, especially if there's a sustained break below 385. We're holding support at the moment, and the price has left this support region now for the second time to the upside. And we need to see a bit more upside momentum. Obviously, at the moment, this is simply a three-wave rally, as you can see, and it could simply be some kind of a B-wave rally. But for the bulls, it would be really good if the low is in now, because honestly, breaking below the really strong support here from October and August, October last year and August, wouldn't be good for DOT. It just wouldn't be good. So ideally the bears, or let's say ideally the bulls, avoid a break below that level at around 360 and a move down to 280. So the bulls do have a chance, and the bulls, as long as this support area is holding, which is a setup, right? A 1-2 setup, the bulls can drive the price higher in a third wave to 592 plus. So obviously, there's some resistance along the way, right? And DOT, I have to say, looking at it objectively, I mean, the overall context is a mess, but this looks potentially impulsive, this wave one up. And then we have a three-wave move down in A, a three-wave move up in B, and a five-wave move down in C. It is a possible flat correction. And we could have started the third wave up, but it takes more than just a few green candles. Structurally, nothing distinguishes this move up from what we did here. And it broke down again, right? But we haven't broken below the August low yet. So it's still holding the range. Now, what do I want to see next? What would give us a better confirmation that wave 2 has indeed bottomed? First of all, a break above initial resistance. So what I've got here is the initial Fibonacci resistance, which is between 435 and 475. Okay, a break above 475 should take us to $5, which is the previous swing high area here from these August highs and the September highs. Breaking above it should send us to 592, which is the first ideal target for a third wave. Okay, so there are clear guidelines for third wave rallies. Should get to 592 at least. Then I want to see a wave 4, which should be a higher low, and a wave 5 to form another higher high. If we get these 5 waves minimally to 638 or ideally higher, then we can call that circle 1. Bear in mind, there could be some extensions in there, and then the wave 2 will be the next really reasonable trade setup. But for DOT, I'm still watching for a rally, and I'm going to show you the daily chart, the long-term chart. Still watching here for a rally, in circle 1, which I just showed you. And then the wave 2 could be the next decent setup, but overall we could move into this blue target area next on the larger time frame. So don't confuse the smaller time frame with the bigger picture. Condition here is that we're holding the August low, but also to give us clear probabilities that we've bottomed actually, we need all 5 waves up complete. And the microstructures guide us. So I already gave you target for the third wave internally here at the 5th wave. So it's not looking too bad, but overall, if we zoom out, not much happened, right? On the micro level, we start to see some upside momentum, and it feels a little bit like, we could start a decent rally, but it's a bit too early to confirm that technically. But obviously, if it happens, it should happen from here, because this is, deep in support. So I keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.